If you're an entrepreneur who understands the power of content marketing for business conversions, which is what my YouTube channel is all about, and you're like, I understand that Instagram Reels conceptually is super important to the Instagram platform. I know that CEO Adam Mosseri has said it's the top priority for Instagram in 2022. So I know I should be creating them, but you may also be like, look, I've been creating Instagram Reels and my account isn't really growing and I'm not getting any sales from these Instagram Reels either. So what's the point? Well, if any of this sounds like you and how you're thinking as of late, well then this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and today I'm going to answer the question, are Instagram Reels good for growth? But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Okay, so here's the deal. Reels can grow all macro conversions. Absolutely yes, Instagram Reels, when created and optimized correctly, can grow all of the macro conversions you need for your business to succeed. Remember, the top 3 macro conversions for all business types and models is as follows. More community members through increases in subscribers and or followers, and more email list opt-ins and more sales. Of course, sales is every entrepreneur's favorite macro conversion is sales. Without sales, well, you don't have a business. So if you're looking to grow your email list thanks to Instagram Reels so that your business's qualified lead capture system is more effective on the Instagram platform, I've already done a video on that topic called Can Instagram Reels Build My Email List? And so you should definitely watch that video after watching this one for more free guidance with respect to that topic. And of course, if you're interested in increasing the size of your email list as a business owner, you're definitely interested in increasing your sales thanks to your Instagram Reels, right? Well, I did another video on that specific topic called Can You Make Money from Instagram Reels? You know what I'm going to say. You should check that video out too after you're done watching this one. In fact, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you really should. We're all about content marketing that converts around here. But if you're interested in growing the size of your brand-based community too, which never hurts of course, then stick around for some tips on how to do that. Quantity growth versus quality growth. I'm all about you creating a brand-based community on Instagram. Instagram is like one of the best platforms for businesses and brands to thrive. And part of the secret sauce in terms of growing your Instagram following is to have a happy, thriving, and engaged community for them to take part in, thanks to the comments, your at least weekly live stream. Yes, I totally recommend that. Lives do super well on Instagram. And your engagement back in the comments and the DMs or the direct messages on Instagram. But here's the thing, having a huge community of people who are not your ideal customers is a huge waste of time for you as an entrepreneur. You're not some kiddie influencer who's just interested in a super huge audience as an ego stroke. Nope, you can't deposit followers in the bank. So just because you have a huge audience, even if it's a decently engaged audience, if they are not going to buy from you like ever, well then creating Instagram Reels or any content on Instagram just to entertain those folks, well, it's just not worthwhile work, is it? I don't mind doing work as long as it pays off, right? How about you? So it's not just any old growth that you're looking for. It's growing your Instagram following so that it's more likely than not a highly curated audience of ideal customers who, once they're ready, willing, and able to, are buying from you because one piece of well-optimized content at a time, they've come to know, like, and trust you. If your ideal customer avatar includes women who are either Generation Z or Generation Y, also known as millennials, they're not going to buy from you unless they know, like, and trust you enough to do so. That leads me to my next point. Quality optimization leads to a quality audience. So when it comes to your Instagram Reels captions, the keywords that you put in the captions and the hashtags that, according to Instagram itself, must go in that caption too. Well, when it comes to all of this optimization, if it's the proper quality optimization, you'll get the proper quality of an audience member who, if they're convinced that your Instagram business account is just chock full of content that addresses their main pain point as a potential customer, will ultimately be very likely to follow you and eventually buy from you. Well, if your optimization is high quality, then your audience will be too. So what do I mean by quality optimization? Well, number one, no using overbroad general keywords. You can't be competitive for them. Your posts will get buried in seconds in the feeds that come up as people use the search feature on Instagram. And general hashtags equal general admission to your content and your business account overall. You don't want the general public to see your content. Really, you do not, because the entire population of planet Earth is not your ideal customer. You want narrowed down focused keywords and also narrowed down specific and focused hashtags, both, to attract the narrowed down individual with the narrowed down interest and narrowed down pain point that needs your narrowed down solutions to get them out of pain and into pleasure with your products, programs, services, and other types of offerings. So that means that while Instagram Reels for the immediate future are very likely to get a super healthy push, no matter how high quality is or is not their optimization, they're likely to get views you've only dreamt of getting on your other content like pictures, graphics, memes, or whatever. Well, that's nice, but will it bring you sales? Narrowed down and specific and custom to the type of customer you're looking for will. No hashtags, no paying attention to keywords, or using overbroad, general, and too popular keywords and hashtags will not help. If you need help researching keywords that you can be competitive for, there's a link for Flick, a tool that I use and most of my students use to give us an unfair advantage on Instagram. If you use my affiliate link, you can try it completely free for a week. You tell me if it doesn't open your eyes in terms of the extremely fine-grained data that it gives you, updated on the regular by a service that is from an approved third-party vendor or a partner with Instagram itself. Sure, you end up paying for the service. I will get a small commission, but it allows for me and my video editor to continue to create free videos like this one to help you get the conversions you need for your business to succeed. The bottom line, if you optimize your keywords and hashtags that go in the captions of your Instagram Reels, they will not only fetch you the right kind of viewer and follower, but most importantly, they'll get you the best type of follower, an actual customer. Nobody needs a huge following that they can't get sales from. Think about that. Grow your account, sure, the right way, with the right followers to get the right kind of profit margin. Make sense? So now I want to hear from you. Are you going to be creating Reels now, or at least be creating more Instagram Reels from now on? Well, go ahead, comment below. I do read your comments. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer to the question of, are Instagram Reels good for growth? Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you some more great content marketing strategies.